Are we enjoying nature today? You know what you are thinking about can be irrelevant to how you are feeling, right? If you are thinking about anything, just go and sit somewhere on your own and let your mind refresh itself. You will totally enjoy it. You know, that's just how beautiful life is. Never focus on what's in your mind. Look outside. Life is happening. You know. The manifestation of life, the abundance of it. You know. And that's the beauty of life. Just remember, thinking about it, if it is not bringing you money, you're wasting your time. If it is not making you happy, you are a waste of time. If you are not happy with what is in your head, switch. Be happy. You know, life now is a conscious choice. You know, practice what you preach. Be happy. It is a design. Nothing else matters. It is called life. You can see it how you want. Appreciate it how you want. Blame everything for everything. Just remember that energy you are using to blame anything, you ain't gonna get it back. It doesn't come back. You know. Open your eye to the realization that what you think, you do. So focus on the things you can do. Focus on the things that matter to your reality, because only the things you can do matter to your reality. The ones you cannot do, just leave it. Okay, just leave it. Wanting to get rich is the illusion of the poor man. Okay. Because a rich man doesn't think about being rich. You know, what's being rich? You are only rich because someone else is poor. Otherwise, we are all equal. No, don't be rich. Seek happiness. You know. Seek happiness. Seek gratitude. Don't seek fortune. Fortune follows gratitude. You know, happiness is happy. And for happiness to express itself, well, you know, certain things have to come in place. But you see, those are just tips of life. In your spiritual evolution, they keep telling you, well, you ask the wrong questions. What is the right question to ask? You know, who am I? Who am I? What is my purpose on this plane? If you don't know that, you're just part of the spectators. Okay. You don't want to know what is life. You just want to live life. And no one can really blame you for that, you know. Everybody has their own aspirations. It is your dream, you know. You put it in your head, one day it will manifest. Enjoy. It's the same for me too, and for every other. You know, it's the same for the trees too. When it's time for flowers to come out, psh, they are out. When it's time for life to blossom, psh, life blossoms. It doesn't take into consideration the opinion of humans. Okay. The human population is almost extinct. Birds are far many than humans. Flies are far many than humans. Trees are more than humans. Grass is more than human. Yet humans want to depopulate themselves. Wow, that's just funny. You know, it's just funny. Oh my God. Try to catch some magnetism from the ground too. It helps. I had a little something 2 Saturdays ago, so I'm just trying to keep the knee together. You know, man's getting older. Oh yeah. Bank holiday weekend starts today, eh? What have you guys got planned? You know, I mean, your beautiful grandma. It's her birthday now. She should be giving everyone something, you know, so that you can help her celebrate with her. That's what a monarch does, you know. Creates a massive party and then he invites only the poor people who are in the street, not his monarchs or his other dignitaries, you know, just to show that, okay, the unity is affected between the top and the bottom. That is my plan. That is my plan, to bring this unconditional oneness to all, you know. It'll be pretty easy, you know. Just take over the British royalty and then, because what they don't like is debt, you know. So if I put that for all the time, my daughter Cherish is in captivity in their hands. It cost them £1 million. So 1 year will be about £365 million. So, you know, we can use that to start her foundation and then make sure that kind of treatment is never again repeated on any other child on the surface of the sun. So, yeah. And, well, they'll probably not have all that money to give one man, so they will have to give me the monarchy so that, well, I can take the bigger money and even share, you know, with all those involved. We have reached a critical stage in human evolution where greed is no longer called for. It's called mental laziness. You should always be ready to leap up and then go get it. That's our nature. No one is comfortable anywhere because life is the comfort. How life wants it, that's how it works. You know. So you to try and grow your own perception so you too can align with the destinations of life. Okay. It is inexorable already. I am the King of England. You know, you see these things that you just put in your mind and then you say it and then, you know, finally happens. So yes, okay. It's not like I'm predicting my future. No, I am informing you of the sequence of oncoming events. So yeah, I wonder what I should be doing now, but I guess I'm happy, living a message of happiness. a message of resilience, a thoughtful message towards all those who still haven't had some bread to eat today, although others are celebrating. We are still all together. We are working as one to make sure we all come out best in this enterprise called life. It's a model that grows every day, and to master it, you have to transcend it first so that you can join where it is growing. You too become life. You will understand in your own time. You will grow to become you. Worry not. Smile. Be happy.